Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to talk about what the advantages are of steam. And I'm talking about steam in your washer and your dryer. Before we get started on that, have you ever had a facial before? For those of you who are saying yes, you'll know what I'm talking about. When you lay on the bed and you're getting ready to get started, what's the first thing they do? They typically add steam to your face. And what does that do? It's going to help open up the pores of your face so the next few steps and the products that they ask are going to be able to work at their very best. The same thing is going to happen with your washer and your dryer. When they add steam into the washer, it's going to help open up the fibers of the clothes to really help deep clean and get out any grime and dirt that's been sitting in there. Grass stains, blood stains, and even the occasional red wine stain. It's going to really help remove that, and it's going to work really well whenever you use any kind of anti-cleaning agent. Resolve, spot stain, like stain remover, anything like that. It's going to help really make sure it's deep clean in there, and it's going to help remove that. So, a lot of our different washers that we have to offer will have a steam option. Only thing that you need to remember is if you are adding steam to your dryer, there is typically an extra hose that needs to be added to get steam from the washer and the water from the washer to the dryer. So it's also really beneficial if anyone in the household's sick. It's even just adding that extra kind of, security to help really make sure it's as clean as possible. And then in the dryer, this is another kind of thing to think about. We go down to the casino. Half the casino's smoking, half is not. You have a nice blazer or sweater on, and it's not necessarily dirty, but it smells like smoke. If you throw it into your dryer with the steam, it's actually gonna help remove and, well, not completely remove, but at least relax a lot of that odor that's been in there and help remove it as much as possible so you don't have to take it right back to the dry cleaner. Also, anything like sheets, clothes, just helping with that wrinkle, like relaxation. I like to use it on mine, especially right before I put any of my fitted sheets on my bed. Typically, they kind of can come out like a tangled mess, so adding that little kind of refresh with the steam helps relax those wrinkles to really make sure when I put it on the bed, it's not a wrinkled mess. Check out our showrooms, talk to our sales associates. Hopefully, they can tell you more about the advantages of steam, and you can see if it's right for you when you purchase your next washer and dryer. Thanks so much.